Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to be making jackfruit carnitas for tacos and burritos. I have the exact ingredients and measurements and recipe written out on my blog. I'll link that below. Other than that, let's get started. I used 3 cans of jackfruit. And what I like to do is to drain them and then soak them in water, let them soak for a while, and then drain them again. Squeeze all of the water out before getting them in the pan. So in here I have some coconut oil and about 3 cloves of garlic. Once I get that going and a little browned, I then add in the newly drained jackfruit and try and coat that all in the garlic and oil before I add anything else. Once that's going, I then start adding in my seasonings, and again, the exact measurements and seasonings are on the link below. But here I have some onion powder. I would love to use fresh onion, but my children if they detect the onion, they will not like it, so I use onion powder. A couple of bay leaves, of course, lots of cumin, some smoked paprika. Also, I put in liquid smoke, some molasses, and some maple syrup as well. Okay, so once you have all of your seasonings in, you want to pour on your water and cover it and let this simmer until the jackfruit is tender. I'm using water because I used bouillon, but if you don't have bouillon, then definitely use a vegetable broth. You cover it. Once the jackfruit is tender, you can cut it up a little bit further, and the knife should just run right through the jackfruit at this point, and you can cut it down into as small of pieces as you like. At this point, I also uncover it so that all of the cooking liquid can cook off of it. You can serve it like that when it's really juicy, but for tacos and burritos, I like for it to dry out a bit. It just has a better texture. And then if you're doing a stew or something like that, you can let it go with the liquid. So I finish it off with a little lemon juice and then really let that liquid dry off and kind of brown it further in the pan. And this is how it looks when it's ready. For our fixings, we're having some cilantro and tomato and onion. We also had some vegan cheese and avocado and lettuce. We toast up our tortillas here. This is my daughter's. She likes her tacos pretty plain, just with the jackfruit and then a little cheese. But you can do it as you like, and top it how you want it. This here is my burrito, and I just added on lots of cilantro as well as that tomato and onion. Everything pretty much. I like mine loaded, so I loaded it up. And we also had crispy tacos this night. We really did it up. We had crispy tacos as well. And my husband Edward, he wanted to try a double-decker, so we did soft tortilla with the crispy shell and loaded that up. And just do what you want with it. You can make tamales with it. I've done that. And have fun. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more. And we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!